Auto Research Claw, new OpenClaw autonomous AI agent. Research used to take days, sometimes weeks, and if you're using AI to help, you're probably spending half your time fact-checking what it made up. That's not saving time, that's just creating a different problem. What if you could type one sentence and get back a full research paper with real sources, real experiments, and a quality check built in? That's exactly what we're covering today, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. Hey, I'm Paisley, your AI educator. Today, we're covering Auto Research Claw and how it works with OpenClaw, the autonomous AI agent that's been blowing up online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it is, how it works, and whether it belongs in your workflow. Stick around because the part about how this thing fact-checks itself is something most people don't know about, and it's one of the most important things to understand before you use any AI research tool. Auto Research Claw is a free, open-source framework built in Python, released on March 15, 2026, by a team called Aiming Lab. It's been pushing updates almost daily since launch, which tells you the team is very actively building on this. You give it a research topic, and it handles everything from there. Literature review, forming hypotheses, running experiments, analyzing results, writing the paper, formatting citations, all of it, autonomously, no hand-holding required. Now, the piece that makes this especially interesting is how it connects to OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an open-source autonomous AI agent that runs locally on your machine and connects to messaging apps you already use like Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord. It's not just a chatbot. It takes real actions, manages tasks in the background, and operates while you get on with your day. And with Auto Research Claw, it can now conduct and write full research on your behalf. The integration is dead simple. You share the Auto Research Claw GitHub repo link with OpenClaw. OpenClaw reads it, understands the pipeline on its own, and then you just say, research this topic. It handles the cloning, the installation, the configuration, and the execution. You don't touch any of that. You just message it and wait for the result. That's genuinely how simple it is. Now let's get into the 23-stage pipeline because this is what separates Auto Research Claw from just asking an AI to write you a paper. There are 5 main phases and each one builds on the last. Phase A is research scoping. The tool initializes your topic and breaks the problem down into components before going anywhere near writing. It figures out the right questions first, which is actually how good research works. The next phase is literature. It pulls real academic papers from Archive and Semantic Scholar using a 4-layer citation verification process. It checks Archive, DOI records, Semantic Scholar, and then runs an LLM relevance check to confirm the paper actually matches your topic. 4 layers of checking before a single citation makes it into your paper. That's the difference between a tool that sounds smart and one that actually is. After that comes hypothesis and design, where the system builds the research approach based on what it found. Then the blueprint phase, which creates deep implementation specs with file-by-file pseudocode and dependency-ordered code generation. It knows what needs to be built before it starts building it. Then phase E is experiment execution. This is where the tool actually runs code inside a hardened Docker sandbox. Validation gates block shortcuts like hard-coded metrics, and if the code crashes, a self-healing executor diagnoses it, repairs the code, and tries again automatically. After that, the pipeline moves into analysis, figure generation, and writing. Here's the part most people skip over. The quality audit, and honestly, this is the part I find most impressive. Before you see your paper, the system runs a 4-round review. It checks for AI slop, meaning generic filler content that adds 0 value. It scores the paper across 7 dimensions. And it runs it through a NeurIPS checklist based on the standards of one of the most respected AI research conferences in the world. This isn't just a spell check. This is a system built to catch its own mistakes before you ever see the output. And in version 0.3.0, released March 17th, they added MetaClaw integration. When a pipeline run fails, the system stores what went wrong as a structured lesson and feeds it back into all 23 stages of the next run. In controlled experiments by the developers, this improved pipeline robustness by 18.3%. The tool gets better the more you use it. That kind of self-improvement built into the system is something we're going to see a lot more of in AI tools going forward. Now, when I first started using AI for research tasks, I had no idea which tools were actually worth it and which ones were just fancy wrappers with no depth. I was wasting time on things that looked impressive but didn't deliver. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. So who is this actually useful for? More people than you'd think. Content creators who need well-sourced articles can use this to build the research foundation. Citations are verified, so you're not guessing. Product and strategy teams can use it for structured literature reviews on any topic, whether that's technology comparisons or competitive landscape. Developers can use the experiment execution phase to test a technical idea and get analyzed results, not just text. And anyone in education gets a structured, sourced document that shows its work at every stage. The use cases here are broader than just academic research. Like any AI tool, always review the final output. It's a powerful starting point and a massive time saver, not a replacement for your judgment. To get started, Auto Research Claw is on GitHub at github.com, Aiming Lab Auto Research Claw, free and open source. OpenClaw is at openclaw.ai. Install it locally, connect it to your preferred messaging platform, and trigger full research runs just by chatting. No API keys needed. The tool also supports multiple LLM backends, including Claude, which is listed in the example configuration in the docs. If you prefer to skip OpenClaw and run it standalone, the GitHub repo has full documentation for that too. Two quick things to keep in mind. This is a brand new tool, so things are still evolving fast. Check the GitHub issues page if you run into problems. The team is actively responding and currently looking for testers across any research field. And because OpenClaw runs locally with access to your system, take time to understand the permissions before setting it up. The project's own maintainers are clear that if command line tools are unfamiliar territory, learn those basics first. Here's the big picture. Research has always been slow because the bottleneck was human time. Reading papers, cross-referencing sources, running experiments, writing it all up. Auto Research Claw removes the time cost of those mechanical parts. The digging, the formatting, the experiment scaffolding. You bring the judgment and the direction. The tool handles the throughput. That's a genuinely different way of working. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype. Just practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates like this one and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100+ AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. I'll see you in the next one.